Let's create this logo in Adobe Illustrator and add it to our business card. Holding down Alt, choose two circles that are close to each other from your golden ratio. Add your rulers to keep everything proportionate and aligned, like this. Select both of your circles and join them together using the Shape Builder tool. Add the stroke weight, and using the Direct Selection tool, delete this anchor point. Using the Pen tool, extend it like this, and while holding down Shift, just add these two strokes and add circles on top of it like this. To give it that sense of bytes of data. Group everything together and combine the two shapes using the Shape Builder tool. Add text and adjust them accordingly. I'm centering them to the center of the artboard so that everything is aligned and well. I give them two fonts that are contrasting. Then I add color, scale it up, and I add it to my business card.